Good morning. I hope everyone's having a good day. Whew. Isn't it cold now? Well, I've come downstairs and I've looked at what the temperature is on my clock, and it's actually 13 degrees. Now, this is the coldest it's ever been as yet. Remember when I said about temperatures plummeting? Well, they are starting to plummet and fast. Ooh. What I'd like to talk to you about today is things that are toxic to budgies. Now, researching in this, there's some things that you just wouldn't think were toxic to budgies, but they are. Now, things like, remember when I had my false nails on and they were full of nail varnish? Well, it turns out nail varnish is toxic to budgies. That could be why she was shying away from my hand the whole time, because they seem to have a sort of like a sixth sense for these things. And I suppose it's evolution, just same. They just know what to have and what not to have. Now, garlic is another thing that's toxic to budgies. Now, there's a lot of controversial evidence for this because it says it's toxic by itself, but you have garlic with something and it's fine. It's fine for a budgie. I've mentioned avocados before. They're toxic to budgies. Now, I love an avocado. I really love an avocado. So I'll just not bring, if I have avocado with a salad, I'll not bring it in here now.